Welcome back. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe for more easy Twilio tutorials. Today, I'll show you how to use Twilio to make a phone call step by step. Start by signing into your Twilio Console. Once you're in, go to Studio. Studio is the visual workflow builder that lets you create call logic without coding, making it perfect for beginners and advanced users. Click Create New Flow and give it a simple, clear name so you can identify it later. When the flow opens, you'll see a drag and drop workspace. Now, we're going to add the key piece, the Make Outgoing Call widget. Drag the widget onto the workspace. This is what will actually initiate the call. Next, configure the widget settings. In the To field, enter the full phone number you want to call, including the country code. Below that, set the From field, which is your caller ID. Use a Twilio number that's already verified in your account so the call can be placed successfully. Once those two details are set, connect the widget to the start point in your flow and then click Publish in the top right corner. Your flow is now live and capable of making phone calls through Twilio. And that's it. You've just created and configured an automated outbound call using Twilio Studio. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. See you in the next video.